Hi everyone, and welcome to Mom Kid Creativity.
Yeah.
We're so excited for you to join us today.
Yeah, come play with us. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red bunny. Orange bunny. Yellow bunny. Green bunny. Blue bunny. Purple bunny. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
I am Red Bunny. Do you want to play with me? Hi, friends. I am Orange Bunny. Am I your favorite bunny? Hi, my cute friends. Hey, I am Yellow Bunny. Do you like me? Hey there. I am Green Bunny. Do you want to play with me? Hello, friends. I am Blue Bunny. Am I your favorite bunny? Please say yes. Hey, friends. How are you today? I am your Purple Bunny. I know you will say.
Hey, did you enjoy this video?
Let's make learning fun, Mom Kid Creativity.
Yeah!